Hello everyone, in this short video I will explain you direct tax. A direct tax is a tax that is paid by the individuals or the organizations directly to the entity that imposes it, usually the government. In other words, a direct tax is a tax that is imposed by the government on the income or the assets of the residents or the nationals of the country, and on the income and the assets of the businesses operating in a country. Some of the examples of direct tax are income tax, property tax, tax on assets such as cars, boats, airplanes, land and plots, and corporate tax, which is the tax paid on the company's taxable income. When the direct tax is imposed on the income of individuals, that is called income tax. For example, in Pakistan, the residents have to pay 35% personal income tax. This means if a Pakistani national earns 100k over a year and saves this money, he has to pay 35,000 to the government of Pakistan as an income tax. Question: is sale tax a direct tax? No. Sales tax is basically a consumption tax. Neither it is imposed on the income of the individuals nor the income of corporations. Sales tax is imposed by the government on the sales of goods and services. Sales tax is charged at the point of sales. This tax is collected by the retailer and then transferred to the government. Question: why is a direct tax called non-passable tax? Because direct tax cannot be passed to a different person or an organization. If the tax is imposed on me, I myself have to pay the taxable amount. No one except me can pay the tax on my behalf, as I am responsible for paying that tax. So, overall, direct taxes are paid by the taxpayers directly to the government. It is also defined as a tax where the liability as well as the burden to pay it resides on the same individual. Direct taxes are collected by the central government as well as the state governments according to the type of the tax imposed. This was my short definition and explanation of direct tax. See you tomorrow.